Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're here making it count by showing you a delicious varieties of our healthy breakfast toast.
Oh, so toasty.
First up, we have our whole grain and seeds organic bread, thinly sliced.
Yes.
With avocado and egg.
You know what, Mom? Fun fact is that studies have shown that eggs are not necessarily linked to high cholesterol. In fact, 70% of the healthy population that consume eggs do not experience high cholesterol at all. So, enjoy your egg, but everything in moderation.
That's correct. And we all know that avocados are good for you, but did you know that they are beneficial because they contain lutein? And lutein is important for the health of our eyes.
I see.
And one more fact, avocados, they're a healthy fat alternative because they will leave you feeling fuller longer.
I love that. Such a superfood, such a superfood.
Next up, we have our cherry tomato slices and chia seeds with hummus on whole grain oat nut bread. Now, some of the hummus benefits include that it has fiber and protein, which can help promote weight loss.
That's always a win-win.
Hummus is always
a win-win.
It's always a crowd pleaser.
Always. Next, we have our 100% whole grain sweet bread. Oh, yes. With your choice, here's the choices, you guys. You have Greek yogurt, vegan cream cheese, or even low-fat cream cheese. Oh my goodness, a plethora of spreads for you, but don't forget to add that fruit on there, 'cause let me tell you, absolutely fruitastic, okay? And it has 3 major components: protein, calcium, and vitamin B12. So allow your kids to indulge a little bit, and you too.
That's fantastic. Moving down the line, we have our 100% whole wheat toast. Now, with these, we are using a variety of combinations and spreads and fruits to make this kid friendly, because what's appealing to the eye is appealing to them.
I love it. It looks like a little fox, doesn't it?
Exactly. I love it.
A little fox. Okay. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and family fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.